this is a Zara cap, is beginners friendly. So the first thing you're going to do is to cut out a cardboard according to the size of your head. Then take out your material, place it on your material. After placing it, you are going to fold it, okay? Folding the first time. Then I'm going to fold it again. Fold it again. Watch how I'm going to turn my hand to place it on my head. Okay? See how I'm going to turn to place it on my head. And the measurement I'm using for this is 90-10, okay? So after taking this measurement, I will join both of them at the back together. Then take out a rubber band. Okay, to the rubber band I'm using, and the rubber band you're using should be the color of the same fabric, okay, so it won't be obvious. Why I'm using that is because it's not available. That was why I used a different rubber band. When I'm done, I'm going to use wig to cover it, okay? So when you're doing yours, use the same color of rubber band so it will not be obvious. And please, if you're just coming across my page for the first time, don't forget to follow this page and also help me to share this video out and like this video, okay? I appreciate that. Let me know where you are watching me from, okay? Write it at the comment section. So once I'm done, I'm going to carry the remaining from the 10 and fix it inside this 90, okay? Wrap both of them together. Continue to wrap the 90. I'm going to wrap it to the end. So once I'm done, I will take it up. Just watch my hand. Take it up, take it round my head. Take it to the end. Then tuck it in before securing it with a pin, okay? I will secure it twice. Then arrange it, okay? So here I'm almost done, and this is the end product. You can see this is very easy and very simple, okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your time here. Please don't forget to follow this page to learn more from me, okay? See you in my next video. Bye bye.